Hello guys, today I am going to explain the certification journey for professional data engineer. This is a Google Cloud certification basically. This is the professional certification and uh, you can add or showcase this certification in your LinkedIn profile or in your CV. It's been 2 months that I received my professional data engineer certification, but now I am explaining this journey or what efforts I took to get my certification. So let's see. I will say that if you are going to switch or you are looking to switch your job in the data engineer or data analyst position like that, and in the coming year, so better you can get this certification in this year as well or in coming few months, because the expiry of this certification is of 2 years. So I got my certification in June 2023. The expiry will be in the year 2025. Let's see which services or which Google Cloud services the PDE certification covered. So it basically covers the GCL, that is Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery, then Cloud SQL, which includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Then you should know about the concept of virtual machine, how compute engine instance works, what are the types of instances in GCP, and many more concepts regarding the cost, because not only these services or the skills, but also you need to think of this cost which the services used for our corresponding the transformation or pipelines, because if you understand about the pipelines or the services to use, like which include the compute engine instance, then it's not that much of but you should also know about the image instance type, the memory RAM of the instance, and the corresponding cost per hour or like that, which includes the ephemeral instance as well, which is the temporary instance like that. So you need to learn or you need to understand these small things very carefully, because these professional data engineer questions are not directly to the services or not directly based on the services on GCP, but they are the more real world or more real time questions that based on the current industry's requirement, or what should do if you are facing this issue. Discussing about the study strategy, you can if you are working in the a field or profile of data engineer or data analyst, you say, then you can prepare for this certification in 2 months by preparing 2-3 hours a day or 5 hours a week. So I will tell you my strategy, what strategy I use. You can download the syllabus of this exam from the website. I will put the link in the description as well. So according to the syllabus, I will say the BigQuery, then data catalog, which is data prep, data prop, Cloud SQL, Bigtable, then GCS, that is Google Cloud Storage, and Compute Engine Instance, Data Flow, Composer which uses the Airflow services, like that. So you have to get this learn from. I will recommend to read the documentation for each and every service I said, or with each and every service which given in the syllabus of this exam. So I will recommend to read this data documentation provided by Google only, which also includes the study, I will say, which also includes the case study questions and some examples, real world examples, that how the other organizations are using these corresponding services for their issues and their requirements. So like that, I will recommend strongly that you need or you should read the documentations provided by Google. Case studies for each services will help you to understand the question pattern, because the question pattern itself is like a case study. What will you do for this issue if you have to build this pipeline with these conditions and with this cost, or I will say with this with the cost concern is there for the large organization or for the big organization, like that. So I will recommend first go through the documentation and then case study part. After you go through documentation and documentation followed by case studies, I will recommend to start solving the lots of questions on Udemy or on the other website as well. Some website provides good package for sample or mock test for this certification, not for this certification but also other Google or Azure AWS certifications as well. So you can purchase those packages as well, but I have never purchased any package for mock test for this exam or any kind of certification exams yet. But yeah, you can purchase a monthly Udemy subscription, which is around 850 rupees cost per month. Udemy also provides some sample test series for this exam as well, so go through that. But next thing is there is a website called examtopics.com. So some of you all known about this website, but yeah, this is the very best website to practice the questions about any certification exams. I will say you will find the thousands of certification listed on their portal to solve the sample or practice questions. So go to that website for this corresponding certification that you are going to access the questions beyond 90 plus, or the number 90 on this website. So you have to search on Google for every question, that is exam topics, professional data engineer questions, question number 101. Then you will find that 101 questions only. Then again you have to put in search bar that exam topics, GCP professional data engineer question number 102, 103 and onwards, like that. So almost there are 250 or 280 something questions are there. So in my exam, when I check after my exam, the questions are from that website only. Most of the questions, I would say 30% of the 30 to 35 40% around questions were from this website only. So please prepare accordingly. So let's see how to approach the answer. First of all, the question is like that. So if you have to store some of the data, or let's say structured data, so the structured data is provided in the CSV files, and the organization wants that these CSV files should be discarded, or should be archived, or should be available till 3 years, and after that time period these files are no longer used, then these files should be discarded or something like that. So in this case you have to think about the given data. So you will say, yeah, BigQuery is also better solution because you can query on that data as well. But organization is saying like we have to, or they have to discard or something, the data is no longer useful after 3 years. So you have to think of the services which are more best example or best solution for this case by thinking of the cost, then time, or the complex operation which would use to process these things, like that. BigQuery, Bigtable, Cloud SQL and Cloud Spanner, Dataproc, Dataprep. These are important services on GCP for this exam, and these questions are like what will you prefer more, Cloud SQL versus Cloud Spanner, Bigtable versus BigQuery, or Dataprep, Dataproc, or with that Dataflow is also very important, and Composer is as well. But yeah, these main services I said, these are very important. You have to think about these services while reading your questions. In exam, don't try to solve questions if you are not understanding these questions. Some questions are difficult to understand. The answer is easy, but the questions are difficult sometimes. So don't try to solve these questions. Mark those questions to solve later. You need to verify your work, your exam place or exam room, if you are opting for remote site option while registering for exams. You need to show your 4 walls, your tabletop. You can attempt exam many times, but this exam cost is around $200. Yeah, but some of the organization provide some free vouchers. If your organization is Google partner, then you will get definitely a free voucher for this. So how to get the free voucher for this exam or any kind of Google certification exam? If your organization is Google partner, then you have to complete any basically you need to complete a certification path. So before completing that path, you need to fill an enrollment form, which is like something named about Google Cloud Skill Boost for partners, like that. Something you will find it on Google, or otherwise I will put the link in description. So yeah, this will help you if your organization is Google partner. So you have to complete this path. So this path itself only, it's a very useful learning path. This will help you to boost your skills for and this path will prepare for everything for exams. And this path also includes some pre hands-on essential labs. Go through these labs, clear your concepts about some GCP services which are very important for this exam. And after completion of your path or some required quest or lab, you have to contact the customer support for this case, and you have to tell them that I have completed my exam or this set learning path, and please provide me a free voucher to appear for exam. So they will verify your organization, and they will provide you a voucher. So please provide them your mail address for from your organization only. And also they will ask you for your public profile on the cloud skill boost or quick labs. So get your voucher. Also some organization provides reimbursement for corresponding certification exams. So please ask your manager before preparing or before enrolling for this exam, so that you will get an reimbursement. You will get a result just after your submission of exam, that you are passed or failed. Google certification or Google Cloud doesn't provide any kind of score after exam. It just provides that, or it just mentions that you are failed or you are passed. Google Cloud also provides some goodies to motivate you to give further exams or to learn more with Google Cloud. So I got my goodies, welcome kit or goodies I will say, which includes some pop socket for mobile, some badges or stickers to showcase on my laptop, and a British mug for my everyday coffee. So yeah, get done your certifications, and please let me know if you have any queries. Connect me on LinkedIn. That's it. Thank you.